Hey guys, welcome to September. We've got wheat to plant. We've got hayfield mowed down. We've got straw bales moved in. Uh, and we got some stuff at the store. And we've also upgraded a couple trucks at the end. So let's get started. Hey guys, we've done some updating and removing stuff. We got to go over here to the logging facility because I'm going to use that to go to the store instead of the other pickup truck. It's a little bit bigger. It really is. And it's an in-game mod that came out. I forget who did it, but the international truck that came out when it first came out in 25. He's made one that you can get the flatbed on, or a bigger flatbed, honestly. You can put a chainsaw right there. I wonder how I do that. Oh, anyhow, let's go in here and show you the dump truck. You've seen I had one earlier, but this one's a little bit bigger and holds a little bit more, so when we're trimming stuff. So we've got a couple things at the store for the farm and one for the business. There's the goosenecks. Let's jump into this. And back up to it. We've got to get wheat. We do have some people that help us. They're taking their break right now. That's why I'm running to do this, and then we're going to get them started in the field, and, all that. We are hooked and ready to go. So, it's been a very productive day so far. We got started here around 7 o'clock. In the 4 hours, we've, got things done. We're going to probably get that auger moved, is where it's located, but it may be later. As you can see, we've got straw in the straw barn. It's still kind of sticking out there a little bit, but not too many people use this road this far back. Plus, it's turned up here, so I'm not too concerned yet. But we do need to get it. Because after I get everything here, we'll jump in the pickup truck and take whomever out to work up the straw ground. We've got everything worked up and ready to plant. We've got 2 fields to plant and fall crop, which we're hoping to get to this afternoon. And we'll have hay to bale here in a couple of days. So, yeah. Yeah, there might have been a car there. Oh, we still got the trailer to get. So let me and we got silage to do later. So let me get these guys to get this loaded, and we'll get back to you. All right. We got more things loaded than I thought we would. So the only thing left here to get is that. If you notice, the one trailer that was here, we did sell. So we've got the feed grinder, we've got the seed, we've got the thing for the skid steer, We've got more liquid fertilizer, and then, well, one of the things we'll get started in today is, where'd I go? Right there. Silage additive for the silage truck. So, yeah. We might as well start silage today. So that's the goal. That's the goal. We start silage, get a couple loads ran, and then we will work on some more fall tillage and stuff. But the goal is to get some cows by winter. That's the goal. I'm thinking the one field that I have to plant might go in grass. And then one field in the wheat. Maybe oats. We may plant a field of oats, but that may not happen in the spring. We'll check it out here in a minute. We'll go into the office there at the shop where the cat is. But yeah, we're doing good. I started with hardly anything and sold some seed. Sold that trailer, and we're sitting good at 19,000 here in September. Have some fuel in the transfer tank. Making payments on that hay. The thing right there to pick up the round bells. Excuse me. Excuse me. But everything else is paid for. I'm hoping here, after we get some of the farm stuff done, we can start working with the logging to get some stuff done there. But that might take a rainy day to do that. I can pull this up here like this. One, it's out of the way. Two, it's easy to unload. Now the only thing I need to strap this one and this one. Let's see, can I pick that up? Nope, super strength. What the heck? There we go. Now, let's go over here. We've already got one wagon over there. But I think we're going to open up a field. Only cornfield family members planted. I was hoping to have corn to run, but we still might. We still might. It's been a pretty busy time on the farm. I can tell you that. This tractor's already worked up some ground. It's dirty, but we're gonna start it up. Alright, now I gotta figure out how to add over here. It might be a little bit of an overkill to use this to chop with, but the other tractors look too cedar already. I didn't know how well that joints would pull on this, so. Let's see. Let it go. I think I need to give me a new mouse. There it is. Okay. foliage additive is in there. Go put this in the shelf. I think. Fit on top. Yep. If it would release, that's why I said I think I need a mouse. There we go. Looks a little empty in here right now. Alright, we're gonna go see. I've never, it's the one time in my life, chopped corn with helping the family. So we're gonna try to open this field. I don't know how well that's gonna go. The reason I say that is I don't know how the outside road, running the outside road is going to be, but we'll see. We'll see how this is going to go. But we're going to pass the hayfield. We're going to pass where I'm going to plant wheat. The entrance to the hayfield we're going to plant, which will probably be the first thing to do. Every time I get here, a vehicle I gotta get up for. We may end up seeing the entrance to where I need to go back and plant the hayfield, which is. Come on, dude. Oh, it's turning. Where you see the line is where we're planting wheat. Field on the other side of it, we'll get corn next year. There's the hayfield. We got it mowed down. I don't know, about 2 hours. About 2 hours ago. It's about an hour and a half ago. We got done mowing that down. The hayfield is inside those trees. The road to get into it is on the other side. We're probably going to go start with grass seed first. And then we will go to the wheat to plant. The one thing, we also got to buy some fertilizer. Bags of fertilizer. There we go. That way we can load the planter. Because if I don't, I'll have to plant it all myself. Because AI will not do it without everything full on it. I would rather get the AI to do some of it. I don't know. We'll see. It may not be planted on camera, but it'll definitely be planted by the next time I record. Because, well, the field we'll be going to is just on the other side of the creek. I already have one wagon, sitting there. I don't have another tractor. We're going to start on this corner just because of the way this is. Now, I'm not going to be able to do first person. first person yet. Just because. And we're chopping. Smash some down, but we're chopping. It's nice seeing progress and to be able to get cows. Now, why did it put spraying in? It does that every once. We're going to try first person. Because as long as I stay where I'm at, I know I'm good. No, it's hard to see behind us. Eventually we'll be able to. Anyhow, we're going to fill this load up and I will catch you guys doing that. Alright, I'm so confused right now. The reason I'm confused is I'm chopping. You see that, right? Only 5% has been in the way. They're both by the same model. First time ever using their chopper though, but they're both by the same model. I don't get it. We're gonna try something. I think I may upgrade. I may have to pull a loan. One night from the back of this. Hey guys, I made payments on it. It's probably one of the newest things I really have, but it's a small chopper. We're gonna try it out. Those issues. If this doesn't do it, it's just on the map. But yeah, we'll meet you when we get up there. All right. It must have been something with that chopper because this one is feeling like it should. Just watching the numbers go up. And it's probably going to be a little easier to do this one. The only thing I got to do is remove the license plate because I didn't do that. I hate having license plates on equipment. But yeah, we're gonna chop and fill these wagons up. We're going to get ready to get cows this winter. So we're gonna call this a video. We will see you on the next one.